Welcome. So given the vectors x and y, so you have to find this. So when you have something like this stroke, so you know that is they are asking you to find the magnitude. So here you are going to carry out this scalar multiplication first. So you have 2x plus minus y. So for this first, 2x minus y. So you're going to be what? 2 multiplied by this. So you have 2i plus 3j minus k. So here, this multiplied by this, then minus y. So you put minus, then this. So you have 3i plus 2j plus k. Then what you have here, you open the brackets. Then here you have 2 multiplied by this, so you have 4i plus 6j plus minus 2k. So here is minus. The minus here will multiply throughout. So all this one is plus plus, so it will change all to minus. So you have minus 3i minus 2j and minus k. Alright. Then you minus 4i minus 3i. You simply have I here. Then 6j minus 2j, you have 4j. Minus 2k minus k, you have minus 3. So this is 2i minus this. So what do you have to calculate? So you have to calculate x minus y. So this kind of magnitude, modulus or magnitude, as the case may be. So you have a like this as here is 1i. So you have 1 squared, 4 squared plus 4 squared plus what? Minus 3 squared. So here, so that used to make mistake sometimes. You can't go and put minus 3 square without putting in bracket. So they get minus here, they miss it. So you put this one in brackets. So that's it. So you have here, you have 1 plus 16 plus 9. So add them together. So you have 25. So your answer is what? 26. So you can leave it like that. Or if you want to get your answer in units, so you have square root of what? So square root of 20, that's 5 point something. So 5.1. So you can have this one as what? 5.1 units. So that's it. So that's for the modulus. Then the second part here, you have to find the projection of vector x on vector on y. So you are projecting this on that. So what you have here, what is vector y? So vector y is 3i plus 2j plus k. So this is it. Then for projection of vector, for the two vectors, you can have them like this. So projection of vector A on B, A on B, what do you call it? Projection of vector X on Y. So you're going to give you what? So you have the unit vector of Y, which is, so you have Y to what? So multiply by X. So here is projecting the vector X on Y. So that's it. So it's either you multiply pre or post. So it's still the same thing. So you find the unit vector. So this is unit vector. So you can write this one like this: x multiplied by what? The unit vector. So the unit vector is written as this. So you can interpret it as this. So what you have here. So what is unit vector here? So the unit vector here is this. So what you have here is y. Here you have projection of vector, what do we call it, of x on y. So you have this one like this. So what's unit vector? Y. 3i plus 2j plus k over modulus of y. So modulus of y, you know how we did it the other time. Here we have 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 1 squared. Then times what? X. So what is x? Here is x plus 3i minus k. So what you have here is 3i plus 2j plus k over. So what about this? 3 square is 9. So you have 9 plus 16 plus 1. Then multiply by 2i plus 3j minus k. So this is what you have. Then for this, you are going to find the scalar product of this, or dot product. This times this. So you are going to have this as 6. 2 multiplied by this also, you have it as 6. 1 multiplied by minus 1, you have it as minus 1. Into what? For this. So what you have here is root 26. Then your answer is going to be what? 11 over root 26. So that's answer. So that's projection of vector x on what? On y. Alright. And the last one, you have to find the last one, you have to find the unit vector in the directions of this. So what you are going to do here is you simply add the two together. So this plus this. So you add them together. So here is 3. So x plus y equal to what? So here you have this plus this. 2y plus this minus k. So plus 3i plus this plus k. So you add them together. So this one is going to give you 5i plus 5j minus plus this, that's 0. Then the unit vector here, so you can have it like this. So that's unit vector. So for the unit vector, you are going to have 5i plus j over what? 5 square plus what? 5 square. So unit vectors is x, y into what? Modulus of x plus y. So that's it. So if you want to define this, you can define it like this. So what you have here is what? So you have 5i plus 5j over what? So you have, that's 50. Here is 5, that's 25 plus 25, so that's 50. So you can do this one further. 5i plus 5j over what? 5 root 2. So you can have your answer also like this. So you can have it in form of this 5 root 2. Or if you simplify this, you have 5 into bracket I plus j into 5 root 2. So this can cancel this. Then your answer is I plus j over root 2. So thanks for watching.